Hi guys, in this video we are going to take a look at how you can purchase Hostinger's VPS, that is virtual private server. Now from past few days I have been doing a research on VPS from a long time and I found the best, reliable and the cheapest option that Hostinger provides. So there are 4 sections that they have. The first one has 1 CPU, then we have 2 CPUs, then 4 and 8. Depending on your requirement, you can go for the one that is required. And the best part is each of them have 1 Gbps of space, free firewall and free weekly backups. So if you scroll down, you will learn that the VPS has the best latency and they have their servers in multiple locations. Let's click on get started and let's choose a plan. I'll go with the basic plan because that is something that is enough for me. So once you click over here, you will notice that you have an option to add in a coupon code and you can also select the plan that is required. If you need, you can decrease the period and also add in auto backup. Now the best thing that I like is you can install the operating system directly. They provide you with a root access with a username and password, a remote terminal shell, or even SSH. If you are someone who is going to share their hosting and their VPS as shared hosting, you can select a panel with it. Or if you are someone like me who will be tweaking around with applications, and if you are planning to use N8N and other applications, there are tons of applications that can be pre-installed with just a single click. So whatever your requirement are, you can just click on it and click on confirm to move forward. For now, you will also be able to change the operating systems. So I'll be choosing Kali Linux for a few of the tutorials that I'm planning to shoot. So you can search for the OS that is required and there are some limitations and few operating systems are available which can be changed later on as well. Let's say right now I want Kali Linux and later on I'll be switching to Debian or Arch Linux. I can do that with a single click. So just click on continue and complete the purchase. By the way, I have a good coupon code for you in the description. So just head over and check the coupon code that I've provided in the description so you get details of the same. So once you complete the purchase, an auto mandate will be applicable till 2030, which you have to cancel if you are planning to test the VPS for now. So that's all and you have your own VPS. Once the payment is done, the first thing that you can do is claim your free domain name. If you have purchased it from the link provided in the description, you will be able to claim a free domain name with 24 months of discounted price. So that is where you can find a discounted price for a private VPS. So I'll just create a domain name. By the way, I pray to God, I don't follow Lucifer, but still, it's crazy, right? You can get a .cloud domain for free. So let's just book a domain name called joinlucifer.cloud. So you can search for a domain name which is available, and I don't promote Satanism, but still it looks cool. So let's just buy the domain name. You will have to add in the details for your domain name and verify the details required. Hostinger has a free website builder that allows you to type in your idea and use AI to build the website. Now that's the best part. If you use the link provided in the description, you will be able to use and get access to this as well. So just imagine typing in a prompt and idea that you have in your brain and converting it to a website. Hostinger's Horizon basically allows you to do that. Now as you can see, I have a domain name and a VPS server as well. I'm able to see the IP address, memory usage, CPU usage and various other details of the server. I'm also able to click on manage and see the bandwidth, disk usage and other details. Inside website, you will be able to create a website, but this is something that I don't usually promote. But since you are my subscriber, I would recommend you to try it out. If you have a server and if you are getting a VPS, then you probably know how to create a website. You will be able to transfer your domain if required and at the same time you will be able to see a lot of details. You can click on Horizon and click on Start Building with a prompt. They also have business email and email marketing options, which I usually don't use because I don't like sales. Now, as you can see in VPS, I have the server and the IP address. I can simply go to settings and change the password of the VPS. This will allow me to log into the account and configure the VPS. I can also enable SSH and work around with the IP address. The best part that I like about Hostinger is they have an emergency mode which allows you to turn on emergency in case the server restarts or if something happens with the startup file if you mess around. And the other best part is you can configure a firewall as well and change the host name. Since you have seen the IP address of my server, I'll be probably changing the host name. You can also configure a DNS, and the most important part is they can allow you to switch your operating system and choose the options again. So you can reinstall and choose the operating system, and if required you can install Plex and other licenses as well. And they also have a backup and restore option where you can create a snapshot just like a virtual machine. You can also see server usage and other details over here. And in security you have a malware scanner, but it is available only for few operating system and Kali Linux is not one of them. You also have a firewall option which you can enable, and since you have seen my server details, I'll be probably turning this on and changing my VPS system. You can also have an access to APIs, Cloud API, Cursor and various other details